Hey you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to short on Admirals. And it's not that difficult, but you need to know what to do. And with short, people mean how to create a sell position right here on Admirals. So what we're going to do right now is we go right here to trade and select right here all instruments. Then you will get this page right here, and from here we can choose what we want to trade. So we select right here cryptocurrencies, and then we click here on Bitcoin, and then we do right here on the right the sell position. So what you also can do if you want to see a chart or something like that, we go back to the home tab and select right here on trade on demo, and then we can start trading right here. Go to cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin, and now we are having right here the chart. Then what we're going to do right here is we fill in right here with how much money we want to step in. If you click right here on lots, we can also decide with how many lots, but I prefer the amount of money. Then we do this away and fill in right here for how much money we want to create a short position. So 1K is fine. Select right here sell. And then if you click now on sell and we do confirm, we created a short position right here on Bitcoin. So this is how you short right here on Admirals. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.